Hi guys! I hope you're doing well. It's time for
Wind Up Wednesday!
You doing alright?
Oh, I'm doing better now.
Yeah.
I am doing lots better now, thank you.
We're so much better. Like, we had to self-isolate for a while, and because some of us got COVID, some of us didn't. Some of us were stuck in a flat, going out of our mind, losing it very slowly.
It wasn't fun. It wasn't fun at all. COVID sucked.
Yeah.
Feeling better though.
Yeah. We're very happy to be out, but that's why we ended up missing last week's Wind Up Wednesday. But we're back today. But it is our last one before the summer holidays.
So we're going to go out with a splash.
Yeah, this one's going to be good. I'm really excited for this week, but I'm also slightly terrified of it as well. You can see the little contraption that we built. So Chris, tell us what we're doing.
We're going to play Splat. Basically, we're going to face each other up on a balloon. We're going to blindfold ourselves. We're going to let it swing, and the idea is to dodge the balloon whilst blindfolded. And we've rigged up a little contraption that hopefully should pop the balloon if it is hit. So the idea is not to get wet. We're going to do 3 rounds, and we'll see who gets the most.
Splat.
So the idea is to not get hit. You get it. Yeah, enjoy. 3, 2, 1.
Hit you again in the pot. Pick your head up proper forward.
Honestly, I am. I'm not trying to get out of it. I want to just feel that.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my goodness.
You're already drenched.
Wow. Told you it would be a splash. Pendulum. Yeah. Technically, you threw the second one at me.
Right,
So...
I want to clarify. It kept hitting him on the head, on the nail, and it wasn't popping. Yet it hit me straight on the head, on the nail, and it popped straight away. I had enough. I was like, no, you deserve this. So it's either a tie or I win because yours didn't pop so many times.
It did hit me on the head, yeah. It just didn't pop, did it? I'll give you that, Saf. Do you know what I mean? I'll give you the win.
Yes.
I'll give you the win. I'll give you the win.
Good. Oh, that was like harder than I thought it was going to be, but actually it was so enjoyable watching you get covered.
I can't wait to edit this. Guys, have a fantastic summer. Enjoy yourself, whatever it is you're doing. Whether you're on holiday, staying at home, enjoy yourself. And we look forward to seeing you in September with some brand new Wind Up Wednesdays. God bless, guys. Take care.
Bye.